Okay, hi, I'm Bill Murray from Murray Racing, and I take care of a lot of the cars in the Shelby American Collection Museum. And this here is J-7, the Mark IV that Andretti ran at Le Mans in '67. The car went a little more than halfway through the race and got involved in a crash. So it sat for quite a few years. So now the car it's more of a museum piece than being used right now, but we just got done doing some repair work to it and some maintenance and some tune-ups and stuff. So it's just about ready to take over to the museum again. Yeah, this engine is an original 427. It's a side oiler, which is what the Mark IVs were running, one of the first ones to use that. And this was an engine that, this car was actually run by Holman Moody. And so it's an engine that Holman Moody had built up, for the Mark IVs back in 1967. So it's pretty well just the way it was. And that would be about roughly 485 to 500 horsepower. And the 427s that they built back then, they're really sturdy. They tried not to get too high of RPM because they determined that it was going to be best for Le Mans to keep the RPM down, and that proved to be true because they won Le Mans 4 years in a row. Now let me go ahead and fire it up, and you can see what I'm talking about here.